Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing another appliance from the Barrymore'S beautiful kitchenware collection. Today I have the Easy Prep electric can opener. The color that I got it in is black sesame. It's easy one-touch function, auto turns with the press of the lever. Precision cut stainless steel blade opens a variety of can sizes. It's hassle-free cleanup, removable lever. It has a multifunctional built-in knife sharpener and bottle opener. It effortlessly cuts and opens small, standard, and tall cans. Stainless steel blade and magnetic lid holder. It remains stable when in use and no tilt. The additional features: auto turn allows for convenient one-touch functionality. Sleek hideaway cord storage, built-in knife sharpener and bottle opener. Auto stop once can is open. Okay guys, so now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has a gold B for beautiful. It comes also with its instruction manual and an initial setup guide. It also has a scan to register your product card and also the lever. In the back, you can see the can opener up top right here, and also the knife sharpener. Here in the front, all you do is press in the lever and it's on. And of course the lever is in a gold tone. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and test it out. I have a can of vegetables. That's perfect. Okay guys, so that opened it perfectly. So now we're going to check out the back and the knife sharpener. Okay guys, for the knife sharpener, it says to unplug your can opener first. And then all you're going to do is go back and forth until your knife is sharpened. And it says to remember to wash your knife after you're done. The bottom, guys, is where you store your cord at. Okay guys, as you can see, I have put my cord inside. Okay guys, so I am very satisfied with this can opener. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.